Me and Drew are both gonna shop for looks.
Buy clothes that are named after his challenge.
Drew shoes. Yo, I could get Drew on my crotch.
You do a high kick. Oh, yes, girl.
Kick the microphone.
I hate your name now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. It's me and Double D.
Holy crap, that's Jackie Groves. You know what we're doing today? So we saw Aaron and Sinead do the whole buy clothes that are named after us challenge, so we were like, hello, I want to do it too. So we're gonna do it too.
Yeah, because we get really jealous when other people get to do things and we don't get to do things. So we then in turn do things.
Yep.
Math is math.
Exactly. So me and Drew are both gonna shop for looks.
Tops, I'm talking pants, I'm talking accessories, I'm talking shoes, the whole enchilada.
I'm so hungry.
One look that is collectively named Jackie, so
Yep.
items that are named after Jackie, and then another look with items collectively that are all named Drew, which I feel like it's gonna be really hard.
I agree.
Drew?
I don't think I've ever seen any clothes named Drew, and it's really hard for me to even find like a necklace that says my name. Jackie is like the name of clothes, you know?
It is a popular
It's like
name.
also like feminine. Drew is like,
Oh, what if it's mainly men clothes?
it might be.
That would even be more dope.
Or it'd be like art supplies, because my name is the past tense of
Oh,
Drew.
Drew.
She drew this yesterday.
What is your strategy? Are you just going to buy whatever is under Drew or Jackie? Or are you really gonna do the research and try to put together a solid outfit?
I think the objective would be that I can find an outfit that actually looks cohesive.
Yeah.
But if I can't, I guess it's just gonna be a whole bunch of pieces.
Who came up with this idea? Genius. It's actually kind of hard. It's bonding. Don't you think this is bonding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to start with me?
Why you first?
I don't know. Whatever.
No, let's start with you because yours is gonna be more complicated.
Okay.
Shop, Drew,
Actually,
clothes.
that did feel weird. I'm gonna ask. You found stuff?
Oh my god, I totally forgot! I totally forgot! Wait,
That's
time
not
out.
fair.
I
That's not
totally
fair.
forgot!
There's
Justin
a
Bieber has a whole line called Drew! We should continue to say words at the same time!
It's like we
Sisters
have
with
the same
thoughts!
Oh, what? Jackie, that was not the line.
Disappointed!
Drew House is one of the most mysterious fashion brands in the industry. Back in 2018, Bieber quietly trademarked the House of Drew. Did he?
It's all
men clothes.
It's all men clothes.
See?
This is amazing.
Hold up. Why did Justin Bieber trademark the House of Drew?
Yo.
Oh, it's an homage to Justin Bieber's middle name? I didn't know his middle name was Drew. You learn something new every day.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why it's called Drew.
How lucky are you? Drew shoes. Drew shoes.
Oh, hell no. That is not an accurate representation of me. I rebuke that.
Oh, hell no!
Look, Drew, look at this. These are all the Drew shoes.
Nope. Ew, yeah, like Drew orthopedic shoes.
Let's see. What's ASOS.
That was weird. Oh, look,
Oh,
there's Drew
cute!
stuff.
Oh my
There's
god.
Not very many Drew things.
Yo, I could get Drew on my crotch and these pants.
Oh, you can. That's cute. I kind of
pretty
want
dope.
Drew on my crotch. Does Drew Barrymore have a merch line? She has stuff.
The Drew Show. Ooh, you. Oh.
Yeah, but ooh. Why'd she do that? Why'd
Well,
she do
That's her
that?
style, and she makes it look really good. All right, well, at least we know that you had a lot of options. That was crazy.
Surprisingly, I think we should shop Jackie now.
There's
Jackie's
gonna be
clothes.
so many cute options with my name.
Well, pin a rose on your nose.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's just Jackie's
You
a
have
vibe.
a lot of stuff.
It was always horrible when you went and travel places. All you wanted is a keychain with your name on
Or
it.
like a license plate, you know?
You know.
Never had Drew.
know.
And it's really hard to find even D's for some reason.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
Jackie
that's
wide leg
cute.
jumpsuit has my name literally and figuratively written all over it. Wow. Tell me that's not a Jackie jumpsuit.
Oh, that's really cute.
Its name is Jackie jumpsuit, and I, Jackie, would wear it. Look
That's
at that.
really cute.
Look at that. This. Everybody should shop their name.
Name store that you're on.
Let me go ahead and save that really quick.
534 results on Forever 21.
But Jackie.
Yeah, look at all that.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I'm Jackie doing Jackie things. I like that. That's cute. There's a lot of that.
That is like Tell me that is not a shirt that like
That's
is my
cute.
personality.
That's cute. Oh my
Thanks.
god, there's one with nutrition facts like food. Oh, no. Okay. Okie dokie. Orders have been placed.
Woo.
Now we wait for our Jackie and Drew items to come.
I'm very excited. This was fun.
I like this. I like
I
this a
thoroughly
lot.
enjoyed that.
And it's kind of tragic now that I know that my name has been trademarked.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
4 to 6 more days later.
Alrighty, friends. Our outfits are here. They have arrived.
Ooh!
Time.
Ooh! The Drew outfit, the Jackie outfit. Which one should we put on first?
I think it should definitely be a surprise. I'm not going to tell you. You just got to have a guess.
That's right, you have to keep
Who's it gonna
watching.
be?
Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be Drew? Is it gonna be Jackie? Is it gonna be Jackie? Is it gonna be Drew? Is it gonna be Drew? Is it gonna be Jackie? Is it gonna be Jackie? Is it gonna be Drew?
two options.
Who knows?
I don't feel so good.
Jackie-ified.
We're starting off with Jackie today, and
Okay, yeah. How was your experience shopping for your name?
I hated the experience. I'm not even gonna lie.
Hate.
So I would go on like ASOS, for example, and in the search engine, Jackie, nothing pop up.
Double hate.
Then another one, and then like something pops up, but it's nothing I would wear, you know? It was miserable.
Loathe entirely.
The funny part is, what I ended up picking out that was named Jackie actually is a very typical Jackie outfit, which is so crazy. So my top is from Urban Outfitters, and it was really cheap. It was like $22. At that point, I was like, oh, there's a Jackie top. Bet. I'm
Jump
gonna
on
get
it.
it. I'm gonna get it, and I just need some bottoms. That's
Right.
all I need. And this was actually, these pants were last minute. I went on Instagram, and this is a key for everybody if you're looking for specific items. I went on Instagram, and in their shopping center, they have a search bar. I typed in Jackie. After hours of shopping online,
What?
I did that. All these items popped up. I was like, Instagram is the key.
How did? No one told me.
Listen, and it was at the tail end, so I didn't reap the benefits, but I did with these
Who
pants.
knew?
So I got these jeans from Milk and Honey. They feel like milk and honey. Let me tell you,
Soft.
they feel so soft.
They look so good on you.
It's just crazy. Jeans, you never know. I stick to websites that I'm familiar with
Right.
because you never know how they're gonna fit.
Yeah.
The fact that these are stretchy, the perfect length,
Yeah.
on the waist, on the feet. I mean,
You know I want to see what the butt looks like. I know
On
it
the
looks
booty.
good. Listen. Oh my god.
Becky, look at her butt.
These were made for you.
that's what I love about jeans. When you put on a pair of jeans and
Dude.
you're like, it fits in the stomach, it fits in the booty, it's the perfect length. I'm like, I'm
These
wearing
are
these.
Oh my god.
everywhere.
I know you hate.
Not today, not today. I'm kind of feeling it. I'm not gonna lie. I saw in the mirror. I was like, wait a minute. Jackie's booty look good today.
It's one of the wonders of the world. Get out your cameras. Get out your Polaroids.
Hide your kids, hide your wife.
I thought your name was way easier
Yeah, well,
than mine.
true.
I found more options in your name, and I really freaking like this.
You killed it. First of all, you have like 3 accessories. You got shoes, bag, and glasses on top of a full outfit. You knew the assignment and you did it.
Obviously, that was my intention to find pieces that would make an outfit that I would actually wear, but it,
Wow.
it did. I freaking love it.
Wow.
These shoes are from Walmart, y'all.
I can't believe.
From
Wow.
Walmart, where they sell walls. They also have these great shoes.
Listen, those are dope.
These leggings, I believe it's called from a brand called Garage. They feel like pants, first of all. Feel them. Like the material
You could
is
do-
like,
oh, yeah.
like,
Oh.
like formal pants. You know?
Wow.
Almost like they're so freaking
Do a high
comfortable.
kick.
They're so. Let me try.
Do a high kick. Oh, yes,
You wanna
girl.
kick the microphone. Also, you guys can't tell because I have shoes on, but they have this strap that goes on the bottom of your foot so they can stay.
Convenient.
You can pull them up and they'll stay on your foot. You can whatever. I really like this freaking top. It's so comfortable and so cute for fall and winter.
Yeah.
You guys know I love a backpack.
So cute.
One of my favorite accessories, and then sunglasses because
Those
I love
glasses are
sunglasses.
amazing.
It's a
They're great.
vibe.
Yes.
I really like things in your name. Hello.
Hello. Hello. We're about to go somewhere. Where we about to go? We about to go.
Where we going?
We about to go out somewhere.
We gotta go somewhere called Jackie as well. If you know any place called
Oh.
Jackie, a Jackie restaurant perhaps, a Jackie grocery store,
Yeah, smart.
a Jackie bowling alley.
That's a whole new video idea.
Oh my
Going
God.
places based off your name.
Find the outfit first and
Then
then
going
to
to
your
places.
Name. Jeez, and then ordering something off the menu.
That's name Jack. Wow. Right.
Okay,
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ciao. A Drew. Boom, boom.
Okay, so we are in our Drew outfits, which, as we said before, the Drew round was impossible. Which I already predicted was going to be because Drew is not a traditional female name. It's just not. So it's like sometimes they just won't make women's clothes named Drew.
It was miserable.
Horrible.
I think I
Hours.
spent,
Hours.
not even gonna lie, like 3 hours going to every website, trying to find all these tricks and stuff to find Drew anything.
Sorry.
I hate you!
Listen, blame my mom and dad. The reason why they named me Drew is because my mom is like, I want when you go out for a job for them to think it's a guy, which has happened to me sometimes. They call and they're like, hello? I'm like, yeah? And they're like, is this Drew Dorsey? I'm like, yeah. And they're like, So that's why they did it, which I like it now, you know?
Totally,
But
it's a good
Jesus
name.
Christ, when it comes to picking out clothes, it's like impossible. But like, we look so good.
But I mean, it came out good. Wait a minute. First of all, where are you going?
Listen, I already said, I think I'm going to accept my Pulitzer Prize. It's a combination of the dress, like the lining of it and the hair. It's just like, thank you very much for being here
It's
today,
so
you know?
beautiful. You look expensive, and you look like you're about to just go handle some
Do I look like I smell good?
You look like you smell good. You look
I
like you're rich. You look like you're about to go on a really nice date.
The dress is from a brand called RTA, and it's extremely expensive. Listen, I was looking for things, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to find something other than this dress because it is like a kidney and a firstborn child, okay?
Wow.
You guys saw the thing pop up. I don't even need to say it. You saw how expensive it is, but I think I understand why, because the tailoring is very impressive. First of all, there's this,
It's
excuse the tag,
incredible.
but there's like this whole underlining mesh thing that's tight underneath, which is just a really interesting design, and then it zips all the way up, and then you have, I don't know what this fabric is, but it's something kings and queens, you know? Like it's overlays, and the way that they were able to make it fall like that is just
it fits you
impressive.
perfectly. I think that's why it is so expensive. Like, the dress is very original, and no one else is gonna be wearing something similar to this. And I think it's really
So
cool
cute.
how they have like the duo fabric. It's
Pretty.
beautiful.
And then the shoes are from Amazon. I'm not, listen, I like the shoes. I'm not crazy about the shoes with the dress, but they matched well enough for me to be like, it's the Drew outfit.
First of all,
you know?
I'm really surprised that those shoes are called Drew. Like, what about those shoes has the name Drew? Well, I mean, if they knew who you were, absolutely.
You know? But totally.
It's
truly.
like on the nose of like who you are and what you wear. So I think it's hilarious that you found feather shoes named Drew. Like,
It is weird that we found outfits that are very similar to our personalities with our names.
it's weird.
You know?
It's really, really weird.
Somewhere in the cosmos, they just knew.
They just knew.
It is an area which we call the Twilight Zone.
This is so cute.
Okay,
How do you feel?
I hate your name now. I really hate it. I
So
love
hard to
you,
shop for.
but I hate the name. It was miserable. I was shopping for like 3 to 4 hours, and I swear I almost gave up. The one place that we all know has everything Drew is obviously Justin Bieber's line, the Drew line. Let me just go ahead and put it on really quick, so you know it's a very bulky, like.
Oh my god, I've never seen you wear a hat like that.
That's
before.
because this is it's a little big for my head.
It's like
Come
like
on.
rocket power. You know? Like ooh you.
What? Like, what's that? Think of a different outfit though, okay? Like, this obviously
I was
doesn't go
gonna
together,
say,
but,
Jackie,
like,
I know you didn't mean for it to go with this.
obviously not. I wasn't like, yo, look at that hat. It's gonna be so cute with my 2-piece brunch outfit. It's gonna be great. It's like so cute to
Loki though? Like it's such
It's
a
like,
choice.
wait. Pause.
Oh, pause for these messages.
Well, stop. There's a better way. Introducing Wax Vac.
It still doesn't go together, but maybe like a vibe.
It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. Low-key, I liked it with the heels, I'm not even gonna lie.
The hat?
Like it's like such a choice that it feels right, you know?
Because you do stuff like that.
I know. It's
And you rock it. That's a note
gotta
from
own
Drew
it, that's
Dorsey.
all.
It's like, even if like it's like the most
wrong.
craziest thing, you just gotta wear it with confidence. Like, oh my god, that's like a choice. You know, it's like.
and then you see, and like now I'm convinced. I'm like, it's
No,
it's a
I'm not
vibe.
convinced.
Like Rihanna would do that, you know? Like,
Rihanna would do
she
that.
would.
She cannot beat my outfit.
Finally, I went to Revolve. Didn't want to go to Revolve, the website, because I was like, dang, you know, Revolve is very expensive.
Yeah.
But I was like, at this point, I've gone to every website. I typed in Drew, and there was 4 items.
Oh my god,
And
really?
this was one of them.
How I miss Revolve.
Well, because who thinks that, like, no, everybody stays away from Revolve. It's very
I
expensive.
missed it.
But this This two-piece is from Reformation, and I got
Okay.
it off the Revolve website. And I was like, a two-piece, you know
so
me.
cute.
Simple. Something that I can put on my body and I don't have to get any other accessories with. So I got this, and I thought it was really cute. It's a cute little brunch outfit. Even though it is like one cohesive outfit, these pieces were two separate pieces. And thank goodness both were in stock, because I would have been struggling.
Ooh.
So I think it's really cute. I think, again, it's very much me, which is
Yeah,
it's
it is
hilarious.
you.
Even though it was a Drew outfit, it's very much something that I would rock.
like
I want to go to
it.
brunch. I want to go eat something right now.
Also, I just love that both things in my name were like really expensive. It's on brand, you know?
Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to the stage Drew Dorsey. Oh my gosh, congratulations
Stop.
on your Emmy.
Stop.
You're the best. Oh my god. Okay, all right.